Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the manufacturer in Icarus. First of all, you want to go ahead to the tech tree tier 5 and unlock the manufacturer. Once you've done that, here you'll see the required elements: 10 titanium plates, 50 electronics, 30 composites, 100 steel screws and 50 steel ingots. To get the titanium plate, you want to smelt some titanium ore, and from 3 titanium ingots you can get the titanium plate. I already have all the resources, so I'm just going to go through how to get all of them. To get the steel ingots, you want to make steel bloom inside the mortar and pestle, or in the material processor, and then smelt it in the furnace to get steel ingots. To get electronics, you can go to the machining bench, craft some gold and copper wire. Also, you're gonna need organic resin and epoxy, which is made in the mortar and pestle. And lastly, the composites and steel screws. Steel screws are just made from one steel ingot, and the composites are made in the material processor, where you can make the composite paste, which you can smelt in the electric furnace to get the composites. Now, to craft it, you want to go to the fabricator and find the manufacturer. Go ahead and craft it. Once it's done crafting, get it to your inventory. Now we can place it floor, say like right here, and connect it to the electricity grid using the electricity tool. Like this. This is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for further notifications. See you next time.